My name is Valentin Volkov. I'm one of the co-founders and CTO of the deep tech company called Xpanceo. We develop a next computing category in the form factor of smart contact lens. The initial vision of the company was to create an ultimate optoelectronic gadget which will replace all the smart gadgets we use these days. So that's why we choose smart contact lens. It's very compact, it's very private, and it's almost invisible. The main challenges comes from the engineering challenges of the project. So we have to try to use optics which is very compact, and this is not a traditional optics. So we had to use new materials which are slim and compact enough to be integrated inside the lens. And the problem is that these days we have hundreds of those materials. Basically, we are dealing with a new chemical table of elements. And if you do it in a traditional way, measuring one material per weeks, per month, it will take years. So that's where the artificial intelligence comes and helps a lot. We use specially designed evolutionary algorithms which actually allow us to shrink all the R&D procedures not in years but in days. So it is absolutely essential to bring real experts and integrate them within the R&D team to operate the artificial intelligence tools in a more efficient way. So those teachers, let's say, they can educate people, they can cut all those AI noise which inevitably appears around each tool, especially those new tools which appear on the market. We could immediately see the results of this activity. I would say that in general the efficiency of our R&D efforts was doubled for the last 6 months compared how it was done before. The Microsoft tools actually helped us a lot in speeding up our activities. The simplest example is to way we dealt previously with patents and with research papers. So that was like a real bottleneck because it took us days and days to analyzing all this vast amount of information. With the help of Microsoft tools, we can do it in hours, which actually significantly enhance our efficiency and all in all move us closer to our final goal. All in all, I think the future of artificial intelligence in material science is really bright.